So now that we've inserted a resume template, we're going to go ahead and put our own little creative spin on it. As you can see, what we did here is we inserted our template. Make sure that we go to layout and view grid lines so we can see our table here. Remember, these are content controls, so we click on these and we can edit the text inside them. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to change the theme colors. So we're going to go to design here, go to theme colors, we're going to change ours to aspect. Then we're going to save the document because we want to make sure we don't lose it. File, save as, browse. If you're going to your R2D2, find that at this time. It should be under this PC, or the PC that's, it might say A7501. I'm going to save to desktop because I'm on my home computer. And what we're going to do here is we are going to type in our last name, underscore, resume, underscore, tutorial. Press enter. Okay, so now we're going to set our custom margins. So the template uses 0.75 inch top, bottom, left, and right margins. We want to make sure we have slightly wider margins for the top, left, and right edges of the resume, as well as a smaller bottom margin. That's because you don't want the text to run so close to the top edge and the sides of the edge, and you don't want the resume to spill to a second page. Remember, the resume is a one-page document, so we want to make sure that we keep it to one page. So we're going to go to layout here. We're going to go to margins, and then we're going to go down here to custom margins. Now we can put our customized margins in. 1 inch top, 0.5 bottom, 1 left, and 1 right. Then we're going to go ahead and press OK. And you can kind of see that things have moved around a little bit. Okay, so you should see some grid lines here. If you haven't changed them, you go to layout, view grid lines, so you can see that pops up. Okay, now we're going to modify a content control and replace its placeholder text. So up here where it says your name, you are going to type your name. Okay, so for me it's Jason Felt. For you it could be John Doe, Harry Truman. Okay, whatever your name is, you put there. Okay, don't put Jason Felt on yours. Okay, put your name. Okay, now we're going to replace the street address. So we are going to type in 2640 Bartlett Street, space PONROLET, comma, space MI 66589. Okay, we're going to click on our name here. We're going to make it a little bigger. Now we're going to put in our email. So your email is going to be your first initial last name at world.net. So for me, it's going to be jfelt at world.net. Now yours might bring everything to a second line. Okay, we're going to place telephone to 872-555-1547. And you can kind of see that some of this is in one line, others got switched to the second line. We're going to do some customization here. Okay, we are going to get rid of that line and hit backspace to go back here. We're going to hold down the shift button and press enter. So it'll put our email on one side and our phone number on the second line. That way it's a little bit more eye-catching. OK. Now what we're going to do next is to save.